Everybody's getting adjusted right before Christmas. Here we are. Are you first? Yeah, you're first to get adjusted. All right, we'll get ready.
Sick
Oh, really?
last week and still kind of are congested and
Okay.
but okay. Sometimes she's waking up in the middle of the night still and stuff.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And I just used to be, but I used to be yes.
This goes to the immune system, the intestines. It's okay. You like getting adjusted?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. Do you like getting adjusted? Huh? What can you do? This. Oh wow, you can whistle now. Oh, cool. There you go. That's what that one's okay. Let's see here. Okay. Wow, you really needed a lot of adjustments today. All right, Mia. See if you can do your muscle test. Ready? Hold the arm up like this. Good, pretty good. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Yep. There he goes. You have some sensation there in your neck. Let's adjust that. Okay. It's fine. You need more water. Can you drink more water? All right. Hold on. Come this way. Yeah. Come around. There you go. Okay. So we'll march it in place a little bit. Okay.
Favorite look.
How's it been doing overall?
Good.
Teeth.
I think he's teething. I don't know if it's a combination of teething and having a cold.
Bones too.
Every once in a while he'll spoil me and sleep through the night.
Is
but
that right? Yeah.
Last night he woke up screaming in pain in his teeth.
Oh really? Oh no! Did you put spray wound 911?
No, actually I didn't know I could do that on babies.
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's homeopathic remedy. It's totally normal.
Okay.
Yeah, it usually calms down.
Okay.
Seems fine right now.
Yeah. In there.
Have them face you.
Okay. Oh, he's like, yeah, I want you, Dr. Mariana. What you guys doing? Hey, sit, mommy.
I want. I want. No, we're not going to me. No, we're not going. I know it.
Girls.
Showing up. You did need to be adjusted. Gotta get to that. So. All right. So I think you're all done. You all done? You all done? You all happy?
Yay!
What's that?
Her clothes, Dad.
Yeah. Did you take that away? Yeah. All right, well, tell everybody Merry Christmas. You ready?
Merry
Merry Christmas, everybody.